Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Hello, students, and welcome to class. I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope you had a good weekend and everything went good with you. So, aims of this lesson is to learn new words, to practice spelling new words. First of all, we have to learn new words and then practice how to spell the new words. Let's begin with our warming up. Before we start with our lesson, let me ask you some questions, simple questions about our lesson before we start it. So, the first question is there any famous places to visit in your area? Any one of you? Okay, good. The second question is which is your favorite place to visit? Okay, that's really good. Thank you. And now let's move on to what are we going to do today? Today we will learn new words for talking about new places. We have these keywords that I'm going to say now out loud and I want you to repeat after me. Understood? Okay. Okay. So the first word is ancient. Ancient. What does it mean by ancient? It means something that is really, really old. Okay. The second one, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. I think we all know what beautiful means. Okay. Something good looking, something good, something, as I said, good, I think. Okay. Cave. Cave. Okay. Cave painting. Cave painting. Okay. Famous. Famous. High. High. Interesting. Interesting. Large. Large. Mosaic. Mosaic. Museum. Museum. Okay, that's really good. So these are the keywords that are in our lesson. Now I want you to open your course book on page 68. Okay, Unit 5, Lesson 1. So, places to see different places. Let's look at the number 1. They say look, read, and write. Look, read, then write. First of all, I want you to take a good look on these 6 pictures. Okay, now after you look at these pictures, I will give you 5 minutes to answer each word in each picture. Please take a good look and answer the questions in the right way. Okay? Okay, so now after I gave you a little time to try and answer the first question, now let's do it all together. So, what's in the first picture? What can you see? Okay, is it a museum, lake, cave, forest, waterfall, or ruin? What do you think? It's a waterfall. Yes, excellent. The second one. It's a lake. Excellent. The third one. Yes, it's a museum. Good job. The fourth picture. It's a cave. Yes, very good. The fifth one. It's a ruin. Yes, excellent. And the last one. Forest. Yes, great job. Yes. And now for number 2. Okay, it says listen, point, and say. Then listen and match. Okay, so now we will listen to track 72.
It's a waterfall. It's a cave. It's a lake. It's a ruin. It's a museum. It's a forest.
Now that you have listened to the first track, now we will listen to track 73 and we will listen and match. Let's go.
Listen and match. 1.
It's a high waterfall.
2.
It's an interesting museum.
3.
It's a famous cave.
4.
It's a large forest.
5.
It's a beautiful lake.
6.
It's an ancient ruin.
Okay, so now after you guys listen to it, I want you to work in pairs and answer this question. I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay? Let's go. Okay, time is up. Now let's answer it together. Okay, now the first one is a waterfall. So number 1 goes with F. Okay, excellent. Number 2, museum, goes with museum. Number 2 goes with interesting. Yes, that's correct. So it's number 2 goes with D. Okay. Number 3, cave, goes with E. Famous. Yes, correct. So number 4, forest, large. Yes, so number 4 goes with C. Large forest. Number 5, lake, goes with A. Beautiful lake. Correct. And the last one is ruin, goes with B. Ancient ruin. Yes, excellent. Good job, everyone. Now, after we have finished here, let's go to page 69. Okay, now, so look at number 3. It says, read and point. The Libyan Museum information file. First of all, I'm going to read and then you guys will read one by one and answer the questions. Okay. The Libyan Museum is very famous. There are lots of beautiful and ancient things in the museum. Can you see the head of an olden statue? Find people in a cave painting? Can you find the ancient stone tablet? Find the pattern on the mosaic. Okay, now, so after we finished reading and pointing at these pictures. Now we will go to number 4. Okay, so number 4 says find and write the word. Find and write the word. Okay, now we will answer this all together. Okay. A very large hole in the earth. What is that? Okay, that's a cave. Very good. Let's go to number 2. An ancient flat square of stone. What do you think is that? Tablet, correct. Number 3. A model of a person made from stone. What is that? A statue. Yes, correct. Very good. Number 4. A picture made with lots of small colored pieces of glass or stone. What do you think is that? Mosaic. Yes, correct. Very good, everyone. You did a great job. And now open up your workbook on page 56. Okay, now that you all have your workbook with you, now let's go and see the first question. Okay. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. This is very easy. Now that you are all familiar with the words, we have read them many times, know what's the meaning behind these words. Now I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, I want you to work in groups. Okay, every 5 students together. Okay, 5 minutes from now. Okay, time is up, students. Okay, let's start. Number 1. One of the mountains. Okay, sorry. On the mountain, there is a place with a very. Group number 1. High. Yes, correct. High waterfall. Okay, number 2. Number 2, the ancient. Yes, correct. The ancient ruin was 2000 years old. Number 3. There are many famous, yes, things in the museum. Yes, correct. Number 4. In the museum, there are 2 beautiful. Yes, correct. Number 6. It is an interesting forest because of its beautiful trees. Excellent. Good job, everyone. You did a great job. And now for your homework, page 56, exercise number 2. Very easy. You will use the words again, but in new sentences. Very easy. I'm sure you will do great. And now, this is all for our lesson for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.